What I love about it is it's nice and high powered. I can just plug it in and it has a nice long extension cord to it. It has a 20-foot hose to it as well, so I can reach a lot of spaces. It's great to use on your house, like your siding, driveways, sidewalks, use it on your patio, even on your car. You can use it for a lot of different things. It's easy to turn on and off down here at this button. It also hooks up to your hose, so you can easily have water with you, but you can also use a bucket of water. And it has 4 different nozzles. They're easy to change. You just pull it out like this, and you can switch to the different nozzles. And it also comes with a foaming container that will attach onto here. But it's nice and high powered, and it's going to clean your house very nicely.